Hi everyone, this is Charu here back again with another technique for your children. This is a very small technique and a very few words, but a very important technique. So today I'm going to just discuss how to learn words with a T-I-O-N or a shun sound. What two alphabets when put together make the sh sound, and then how do you spell sh? Okay, so shun, I mean, how do you spell shun? So I'm just going to go straight to the technique, and I hope this is going to be helpful and you're watching. So here I go. Okay, so this is called the sticky I. Now, why is the alphabet I called the sticky I? Simple, because it loves to stick to other alphabets to make a sound. So, let me show you how. So, when the sticky I, when it sticks to a letter, they make a very strange sound. In this case, the I has got stuck to T. And what sound do they make together? They make the sound sh. Sh. Okay? So the T obviously does not look very happy to be stuck to I, but doesn't seem to have a choice. So together they make the sound sh. But sticky I is not satisfied just with the alphabet T. He goes and sticks to the alphabet S and the alphabet C and again makes the sound sh. When sticky I sticks to the alphabet S, it makes the sound sh, and the same way when it sticks to the alphabet C, it makes the sound sh. See, this is how it is. Now, the first word is nation. Now, all these words have sticky I. So, sh, magician. So, again sh, mission, sh, magician, sh, nation, sh. And together, when you say the word nation, it makes the sound sh plus un, shun. Let me tell you how. So, this is sh and on. So, that is shun. This is sh, an. Again, shun. Sorry about this. And sh and on again is shun. So, all the words which have sounds ending in shun will have ti, ci or si joined together to make the sound sh. And the next two alphabets, like if you say presentation, again tion is the most common shun sound. Okay, so presentation, nation, I'm sure you can make a big list of words which end in tion. And so I hope this technique has been helpful, and you just have to make it fun for your child and tell them how sticky the alphabet I is, and let them make a list of words which end in tion, cian and sion. It's a lot of fun, and I hope your children are able to learn the spellings with with this technique. And that's all for today, and thank you Kamal sir for all your support, and see you soon next week with yet another technique. Bye, this is Charu here. See you next week again.